Horsetail. This is a super interesting herb to me. Wish I could grow it. It is a weed in some areas and often known as joint grass. Looking at the picture, you can actually see the separations here, which if you pull on them, will snap apart, much like you would envision a joint, sort of like a finger cracking a finger, but this actually will pop apart. This in herbalism is known as a signature of the plant. So in other words, it looks like a joint and perhaps it will help with joints. Hi, I'm Mary Bourne, traditional naturopath, and I love sharing natural remedies with people for better health. Natural remedies have been around for hundreds, even thousands of years. And they've been around that long because they work, and they work on humans and often pets. You can often find this herb growing along the roadside, and in some areas it's known as a weed, but I've been unsuccessful finding it in this area. I have, however, had friends bring me bunches of it, and it is a very wonderful herb to make remedies with and just to enjoy the look of it and what it can tell. So horsetail contains more silica than any other plant in a form that is highly absorbable. And why is that important? Well, silica is an important trace mineral that provides strength and flexibility to the connective tissue of your body. Cartilage, tendons, skin, bones, teeth, hair, and blood vessels all need silica. So silica in the formation of collagen is the most abundant protein found in your body. And people have been wild lately about getting collagen into their bodies. If your skin is dry and your hair lacks luster, well, you would do well in getting more silica into your body. If you have tendons that don't heal well, like in the wrists or the ankles, perhaps they're lacking in silica and are slower to heal because they don't have this trace mineral. So taking something like horsetail may improve these by getting more usable silica into your diet. Oftentimes we get signals from our body telling us we need something. And instead of giving it what it needs, we do something topical. Silica is a trace mineral that works with calcium to strengthen bones. And this might be why many herbalists find horsetail helps their clients in healing tendons and connective tissue and even broken bones. Strengthening these connective tissues will make it so the injury may not occur, because if you deal with weak tendons all the time, you can re-injure an area. Horsetail provides antibacterial, antiseptic, and astringent properties, focusing on the genitourinary system. It tones the bladder and urinary mucus. It fights infection and helps various urinary concerns, especially those that include bleeding. So herbalists call these spongy tissue conditions, and horsetail has provided the go-to herb for these conditions for many herbalists. So it can be taken in tea form or in tincture. I like the capsules. They're pre-measured. If you want to make a tea, you can open it and dump it into some hot water. Remember, it is antiseptic and astringent, so it helps in wound healing. You can mix the herb with some aloe or even saliva. So it is a great camping herb. So in other words, you can take a few on a camping trip. If you get a blister, you get a scrape of some sort, you can act on that quickly, making sure that you have some gauze or some Band-Aid to cover the poultice that you put on it. So I hope that you like this video, that you're getting some great information from it, and that you share it with others and give me a comment. I love hearing from you. If you subscribe and click on the little bell, you'll get notified each week when I present these videos on herbs and culinary uses, because I feel that food is our medicine. So horsetail is not necessarily a food, but it can be used as a tea. And I believe that natural food has a way of interacting with our body that is smooth and non-aggressive in most cases. Natural foods are complex, and in their complexity, they can accomplish a lot at once. So this herb can help with clotting, making cells and tissues stronger. It can even help make hair shinier. So it lets the body decide how it wants to use the ingredients in it. Drugs are targeted and single action. They often deplete the body of particular substances, such as cholesterol herbs rob the body of CoQ10, and you need to replace that. CoQ10 is very important in the body, and if you're on cholesterol medication, then you need to supplement with CoQ10. Silica is also needed by the lungs so they can move freely in and out, and in their expansion and contraction during breathing, they use silica as a nutrient for the skin of the alveoli. So in some chronic lung conditions, the lack of silica may be a contributing factor. If a person also has symptoms of dry skin and dry hair. So now we tend to think of skin as just what we see, outside skin, but we have skin that covers inside of our body as well. And the inside skin may be, the outside skin may be a reflection of what's going on the inside. So by doing lotions and things like that, you're really not doing the inside skin any favors. So you can purchase the dried herb and make a tea, or you can purchase capsules that are pre-measured and can be taken as capsules or as tea or made into poultices. Capsules will last generally 5 years, so they have a great shelf life. And that's where our sponsor comes in. Nature Sunshine is a wonderful company. They've been keeping our family healthy for over 40 years. And I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below for a 25% link. And you can purchase and get that great discount. If you've used Horsetail in some way, I'd love to hear from it. So if you would comment in the comment section below. I hope that you share this video with others so that they can know the value of weeds and herbs and perhaps remedies that are free. all around us. So if you have specific health questions that you'd like answered, you can email me at drmary@bornforhealth.com. Please check out my website, bornforhealth.com. And there's a lot of wonderful information. There's a lot of videos that I've done on my YouTube channel. I do videos once a month that explain how the body works. I just recently did one on the urinary system, and I think that it will be of great value to you because the body works together. I mean, yes, we can name different systems, but it works as a whole. And the more we treat it as a whole, the better our health will be. So I hope you found value in this presentation on the culinary and medicinal benefits of eating and growing food that people have been using for thousands of years. I would love to hear from you on herbs you'd like to know more about. So please leave a comment while there. Click on the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell. And you'll be notified each week when I do these presentations. So get control of your health by focusing on herbs and healthy eating. Be sure to share these videos with your friends and loved ones. Be thankful for the people and gifts of nature and all the joy around you. I want to thank you for viewing. Until next time, this is Dr. Mary for the Health of It. And remember, adding special foods to your diet can keep you healthier. So go out and make this a great day.